Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the Aviation 400 Air Canada 787-9 Dreamliner in a 400 scale. I purchased this model from Prairie Diecast a couple weeks ago and it arrived here pretty fast, so I'm really happy I got this model. So here's the box. I'm going to do a fresh unboxing straight out of the box, so it's kind of new for me. The box in here, some packing peanuts. Just get this out here. It's quite messy. Alright, really nicely packaged box here from Prairie Diecast. As you can tell, they really do care about customer service, so kudos to them. Here is the model here. I've been actually waiting for this model for a while because I've seen some photos of it from my friends and it actually looks pretty good compared to the NG one. So here's the box here. Side here, realistic die-cast collectible model, authentic liveries, highly detailed, excellent quality. I hope that is true. It's the other side, and that's like a little diagram of the 787 up here. So this is my first Aviation 400 model. Pretty excited. So let's open this up. Oh, even comes with a stand. That is pretty nice. It's really cool. So here's the model. Nicely packaged. It's got some tape down here. And okay. Alright, so here is a more up-close view of the model. Looks really nice. There's lots of detail as well. One thing I've noticed is the beacon light actually has, it kind of looks like a little, it's like a plastic kind of cover on it, and it's red, so it looks really detailed. Compared to like other models that have like a beacon light on the top is usually just like a print of beacon light, but this one actually has like a separate piece for the beacon light. It's like a plastic little glass thing on the top, and it also has that on the bottom as well, as you can see there. So yeah. So we're gonna look at the front first. So first things first, aircraft has the nose cone here, as well as the cockpit windows. Look a bit too dark, but I'm fine with it. This has the Star Alliance logo, the passenger loading door, the Maple Leaf, Air Canada Maple Leaf logo, some detail on there. The business class section there, Air Canada titles look good. Compared to the NG models, Air Canada 787, I think the titles are a little bit inaccurate on this one. I feel like this one is a little bit smaller, so I mean, it doesn't look that bad, but you can kind of tell. And I also mentioned about the beacon light, and there's a antenna on the top, Wi-Fi dome, the second passenger boarding door, some more detail there. The engines look really nice as well. There's a lot of detail on the inside, as you can see. There's like a little spiral as well, spiral cone or something like that. looks really nice and detailed. As well, the landing gears do roll. Yeah. And there's another kind of box up there. I'm not sure what that is, but looks detailed. Third door here, economy section, registration, Charlie, Foxtrot, November, Oscar, Echo, and Boeing 787 titles, as well as Dreamliner. Looks really nice. And here's the tail. Compared to the NG one, there's a lot more detail on the tail section. There's like these little kind of white circle things up there, which is actually on the actual aircraft that I see F400 included, so kudos to them. Some more antennas as well, and looks really good. Oh. So yeah, so this is a really nice model. I paid, I think, $70 for it or more. Not a bad price, but if you've been in the model community for a while, you can definitely tell that the prices are rising up. So yeah. So here's the bottom half. The model. So lots of detail. Again, like I said, there's also a hole for if you have like a model stand, you can put in there. Some more antennas, some detail over there. The wings have some good detail. So yeah. And here's what the model looks like with the stand included with the model. Really nice feature that F400 included that, so really nice. And I also tested this stand on the NG 787-9 Air Canada, and it actually fits in there, so that's pretty cool. So yeah. And that concludes my review for the F400 Air Canada 787-9. This model is really nice. It features lots of great details, and this is my very first F400 model, so really great job from them. And I'd probably give this model maybe an 8.8 out of 10. So yeah, and I definitely recommend this to anyone. If you guys find this model anywhere, I would definitely recommend you guys purchase it. So yeah. And thank you for watching this model review. I'll try to post another one next week. I've actually ordered the F400 Air Canada 777-300ER and the HYJL Wings Air Canada A321, so I'll try to post a review on that. As well, next Saturday I'll be going to Cancun, Mexico on WestJet's 737 MAX 8, so I'll definitely try to post a trip report on that, and I'll give you guys a first-hand experience of that, so definitely stay tuned. Definitely subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me, and like this video. Also comment and check out my other socials. My TikTok and my Instagram are it's basically the same name as my YouTube channel, so definitely check them out, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.